What's good, YouTube? Mike here, and you guys read the title, man. How to make a new account if you got banned on TikTok. And I've got banned on TikTok twice already. Once in October, and the second time like a week ago. This method works, because I've done it twice already. And we're so close to 600 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all the support, man. I know I haven't been uploading that much. I've just been grinding TikTok videos, trying to get my account back up. But yeah, we're back. And a lot of people have been asking me how to make a new account on TikTok because my last video blew up. It has like 16,000 views on how to make a new account, but I did it in under a minute. I don't know why I made the video under a minute. This video should be like 4 minutes at least. I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how to make a new account on TikTok if you got banned. And I'm just saying this right now, if you got banned on TikTok, you can't get your new account back. They made this whole new rule where you can't get your old account back if you got banned, which is so absurd. I don't know what TikTok's on, but it's like if you get banned now, you can't get it back. Like, you can't get it back. I'm like 98% sure you can't get your TikTok account back if you got banned. They don't even tell you how you get banned or anything. If you're banned, you're banned. So just watch out what you post, what you show on your TikTok accounts. And we just gotta be careful because I already got banned twice. I'm not trying to get this account banned, because I love making TikTok videos. It's literally a passion of mine now. And if I get this account banned, it's literally gonna crush my heart, bro. But let me go on my phone and let's start screen recording, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a new account. All right, so I'm screen recording right now, and the first thing you guys wanna do is download Hotspot Shield VPN. This is the VPN I use. You guys can use probably any other VPN, but this is the one I use because you guys are gonna wanna connect to the UK VPN. That's the VPN that's gonna get you access to making a whole new TikTok account. So go to the App Store or the Play Store, wherever you have an Android, iPhone, type in Hotspot Shield, and it should be right here. I already have it downloaded, but it should be like the second one there. You guys are gonna open Hotspot Shield, turn the Hotspot Shield on. You gotta wait for the ad. Hit close, and now your VPN's on. Now you're gonna wanna scroll down, and you're gonna see this. It already puts you on the United States VPN, but you wanna switch it to the United Kingdom. So hit the United Kingdom one, connect to United Kingdom, and hit the X on the top left. You do not want to purchase any of this stuff, bro. You don't need to waste money. Now you should be on the UK server. Even though it says connect, we already connected. So you want to exit that. And then after you connect to the UK servers, you're gonna wanna go on the TikTok app. And as you're on the TikTok app, it should say sign up for TikTok. You're gonna wanna sign up and make a whole new account. So make a whole new account, make a whole new account. And for this step, if you guys use your old phone number, you can't use your phone number anymore, because if you get banned, you can't type in your phone number again. Like, if I type in my number right here, it won't work because I got banned, because I used my number on my last account where I got banned. So you're gonna wanna use your email or use a parent or a grandmother or an uncle's phone number, because you can't use your phone number or whatever phone number you used on your last account because you got banned. So type in your email or your new phone number, and then verification, and type in a whole new password. So for me, it says I got banned because I used the same birthday as I used on my last account. But if you're using a VPN, it should still work because you're on the UK servers. So after you sign up, make a whole new account, exit out of TikTok, and turn off your phone completely. You have to do this step because I didn't do this step last time, and it said I got banned and I couldn't go back on TikTok. So, and as your phone starts turning back on, go on TikTok and it should work. You don't need to use a VPN ever again. And that's basically how I made a new TikTok account when I got banned like last week. So hopefully this video helped you guys. On TikTok, you have to make a whole new account. You can't get your TikTok account back because they banned the appeal thing or whatever. Whatever the appeal is, you can't appeal to have your account back. So you're just gonna have to make a whole new account, which sucks. But so let me go over the steps again. Download Hotspot Shield. Then after that, turn on the VPN. After that, connect to the UK servers for VPN, so they think you're in the UK and they think this is a whole new different person signing up, but it's still you. And then after that, go into TikTok, make a whole new account, sign up for a whole new account. You're gonna have to use a whole different phone number or a whole new email. And then after that, sign up. And then right after you sign up and make your whole new account, turn off your phone, exit TikTok, turn off your phone completely, turn it back on, and as it's turning on, open TikTok, and you don't need to use a VPN ever again. So that's literally it. That literally tricks TikTok. You're a new person, but instead it's you. It's not a new person from the UK. Because that's how you trick people. Use the VPN and it works, bro. I'm telling you. So if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. Yo, feel me? Yes, sir, bro. I've been chilling, bro. I literally just been chilling. I haven't really been posting YouTube videos. I have so many ideas, but I just don't want